Hi everybody, Tim Bartz here, your Ford video guy, and we are on an exclusive location here checking out something very special for the 2026 Ford Bronco. We've been invited to check out this beautiful vehicle behind us. We're going to give you a walk around on this, and pretty special about this. So this in here, let's just go ahead and turn this camera around. Oh, don't forget to make sure you're subscribed, bell notification turned on, all that good stuff, so you can always stay updated on Ford news information that we do every Wednesday. Check this out. So this is a special package. The 60th anniversary package is going to be available on the 2026 Ford Bronco. It'll be available exclusively for the Outer Banks trim. It'll also, really not a lot of configurations here. It'll come standard Sasquatch, standard with the Luxe package, and in two different colors. You're seeing one of them right here. The other color is the ruby red. Now this in here is going to be the Wimbledon white. So it's a color that we haven't seen on the Bronco since 1983. So this is pretty cool on how that looks. Also, pretty cool design team. They've done some special things that you may not note unless we show it to you. So let's check out first off this grille here. I'm really digging this grille. So it looks like we got an iconic silver type painted grille on the outside. We do have the white and the red Bronco letters. Check that out real close there. And we do see these inserts here as well. So I did check. There's not 66 across there, just because of what they need to for air coming in. By the way, this is available in either the 2.3 or the 2.7 liter engine, but these can be taken out and painted. They are paintable, so they're not textured. So hey, a lot of customizations we could do here coming out, and you never know what McArthur is going to do. But nice grille up here on the front. Of course, this is going to be standard Luxe, so you're going to be 360 camera. You see that on the front. Now moving, of course, to these wheels. These wheels are really cool. Now, of course, this is Sasquatch, so they're going to have your RT Territory RT tires here that they continue. They started in 25, but these are B-lock capable wheels with a really special. We have not seen this wheel on any of the Broncos so far. So new wheel design, and you're not going to see it on any of the other different trim levels. And then of course you do have the established 1966 red center cap there as well. That's going to be coming on these too. So pretty special look here. Now this is the Vermilion red graphic on the side. So if you get this in the Wimbledon white, you'll have the Vermilion red there on the side with the 60, and a real good detail there with Bucky on there. And if you get this with the ruby red, it'll be Wimbledon white graphic on the side. Check out this badge. This is a very cool badge. I don't even know if I can get this to show up real well in the video, because it's really a lot to this badge. Back behind, little thing, if you look closely, some of you go ahead and count them, 66 lines across there coming down in there, with a nice chrome Bronco, established 1966, and then Bucky is actually sitting on top of it. It's not inside of that. So that is a pretty cool special badge that they take a lot of attention to detail on this one, which looks pretty cool. Now, of course, body colored hardtop on this as well, but interior as well. So let's talk about that. This is the Alpine interior, what they've gone to. So we've added some white to the black interior here. We're seeing it on the door inserts. We're also seeing it on the seat inserts. Looks real sharp there with the black. Has the 60 on the backrest. Now this is a concept vehicle. It should be similar to this with the white stitching on there as well. Again, white stitching on the steering wheel as well. And then the dash also. So it will have, they're going to this textured, or this nice padded dash with the stitching on it. We did see that in Badlands last year, which may not get it this next year, but Outer Banks with this and will with that white stitching, and then the red grab handles here as well. And you can see the red accents there. The inserts, they won't do that on any of them, but they will do it on this one. And it is Sasquatch. So we have a grab handle there as well, and a 60th anniversary badge right there too. Something to note, check out this little bit of information. Are we gonna see these A-pillar grab handles? Looks like are coming to 2026 model year. So something to note right there. Pretty cool on that. So that looks real sharp. And yeah, looking really good. Here on the back, something else that is really cool and special, and that is this wheel cover. So spare tire cover, they have not had this on anything else yet, and it has this hard shell with the soft on the outside. And then check out the Bronco letters. Looks real similar to what we see on the grille as well. So that is gonna also be included, I believe, on this package too. We're just highlighted on this one, but really cool I've said that a lot, but this is a really special package, and will be available 2026 model year. Looks like October timeline is when order bank should open up. And just so you know, we are going to be able to, it looks like every dealer is going to get at least one of these. And so if you're wanting one of these, McArthur can help you out with that as well. And so we're going to do some special deal. Don't forget, we're the dealer that gets you to Bronco off-rodeo. We pay for $1,000 of your expenses to get you the Bronco off-rodeo. So we do that on every Bronco purchase, including, we're going to carry that over into 26 model year as well, including these right here. So if you're wanting one of these, let us know. Hit us up, and yeah, so we know that at least one, every dealer's gonna get one, but they say it's not gonna be limited to 1,966. So that's some good news there. Probably be able to make quite a few of these, but really excited about this. They say there's more details to come here in a couple weeks. Hopefully we can get that information to you as well, and exclude that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and 60th anniversary. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think of this vehicle? I'm pretty excited about it. I really like it. I like some of the things on the grill. I like some of the pretty cool stuff on this as well. The badging is just killer on this. You got to see it in person, but looks really sharp on this. So let me know what you think down below. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed with the bell notification turned on so you don't miss any of these videos. And yeah, we'll get more information right here at the Bronco Birthday Bash as well this week. So make sure at least coming up this weekend is some of the different cool Broncos we saw that people are having and driving, and we're going to go out in the dunes as well. So let's go get that done, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.